Is your Chevy Traverse failing to start when you turn the key? Statistically, 70% of no-start issues on this SUV are related to basic electrical connections. Let us break down the diagnostic process to find your culprit. Start by testing your battery voltage and checking all major engine ground straps for corrosion. Beyond the battery, check these 3 common failure points before diving deeper. If the engine cranks but won't catch, look toward fuel or sensor issues next. Decide if you can handle the repair yourself or if the complexity requires a professional technician. Repair costs vary wildly depending on whether it is a simple battery swap or a complex fuel system repair. For advanced diagnostics, use a multimeter to verify power flow and a scanner to interpret engine codes. Keep these 3 tools in your trunk to handle most common electrical roadside emergencies. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the battery before starting any electrical work. Thanks for watching, and remember to check your connections before paying for a tow.